English grammar review verb tenses. Number 1. I blank working for 2 hours. Is it am or have been? The word working can be preceded by both am and have been. But you have the clue for you to know which between these two choices is the answer. The phrase for 2 hours signifies that the action has been started at a certain time in the past and continues up to the present or up to now. Which between these two choices is the answer? Am is a helping verb that is used in present continuous or present progressive tense. Meanwhile, have been is a phrase that is called present perfect, tense-wise. When added with the ing main verb, it is called present perfect progressive. The correct answer is letter B. I have been working for 2 hours. The logic is that the action has been started at a certain time in the past and continues up to now. Am is not the answer because the present progressive or present continuous does not mean that the action has been started in the past and continues up to the present. Sentence 2. I blank in London since 1992. Is it A, lived, or B, have been living? Your clue in this sentence is the word since. We use since to tell that something has been started in the past and continues up to the present. The action has been started in 1992 and continues up to now, meaning it did not end at a certain time in the past. Continues up to now. The answer is B, have been living. Present perfect progressive or present perfect continuous. A is not the answer, for A is a past simple verb or what we call the verb to or past tense. Correct answer, have been living. I have been living in London since 1992 and until now, I'm living in London. Let's proceed to number 3. She blank before her husband came. Is it A, dies, or B, had died? Which one is the answer? The clue in this sentence is the word before. Before is used to show a sequence of action. We have 2 actions in this sentence, action 1, action 2. These 2 actions both happened in the past. Action 1 occurred before action 2 intervened or occurred. The answer is B. A is incorrect. The tense of the verb dies is present simple. Meanwhile, the answer, as what I've said, is B, had died. The tense of the phrase had died is called past perfect, and the tense of the word came is past simple. Past perfect simple. Number 4. The train had left before they blank at the station. Is it A, arrived, or B, has arrived? The tense of the verb that we're looking for is called past simple. It should be in the past tense or verb to. For in this sentence, we want to show 2 actions that both occurred in the past but has sequence. The first action happened first before another action occurred or intervened. First action had left is called past perfect. So the tense of the verb that we're looking for is called past simple. The answer is definitely not letter B. The tense of has arrived is called present perfect. We cannot combine present perfect and past perfect in the given example sentence above. The correct answer is A, arrived. The train had left before they arrived at the station. Thanks for watching.